Hello, my name is Joseph from Bayside Property Management, and today's blog is about the why and how of security deposits. So let's remember, security deposits are strictly regulated by state and local laws. And so what we're here to tell you is for landlords, for you to understand, to understand and know those laws so you don't get into trouble. So according to California Code of Procedures, section 1950.5, it states that you can collect a security deposit for 2 months. The first and the last month happen to be. This deposit must be held, not owned. It is insurance if a tenant leaves or damages that you can use that security deposit. So according to the Civil Code of Procedure, you can hold the money if lawful deductions are needed. What's a lawful deduction? Well, it's a remedy default in rent. Say perhaps they leave, do not pay their last month's rent. You can use that security deposit to pay that leftover rent. If you have to repair damage beyond the normal wear and tear, you can use the security deposit money as well. Excessive cleaning mess. Say they leave the place an absolute mess. You need to clean excessively. You can use some of that money for cleaning. And also replacing personal property. Perhaps when they move in, they take your shower head out, they put their own in, and do not replace yours when they leave. You can use some of that security deposit to get yours back. Let's also remember that the security deposit is requires a limited time to return the deposit. So landlords, by law, have a 21-day time frame in order to return that money. But they must return that money after they give itemized deductions of things that need to be fixed. Once those things are fixed, you then have 14 days after completing those repairs to send in the rest of that security deposit to that tenant who left. Also, let's remember that the security deposit is tied to the rent value. So by law, you are able to increase the security deposit when you increase the rent. So what you need to do is that you can use a 30-day notice of change of tenancy. And what this states is that by law, you are allowed, once you raise the rent, to increase the security deposit as well. And lastly, our suggestion is to avoid the term last month's rent. It sort of connotates to tenants that perhaps they don't have to pay their last month when they give a notice of when they're going to leave, and that's certainly not the case. So what this is, these are some helpful guidelines that you can use to help navigate through the why and how of security deposits, and we certainly hope it all helps. My name is Joseph from Bayside Property Management, and we'll see you next time.